In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language settings in ElevenLabs to suit your needs. Before we dive into the steps, if you're considering signing up for ElevenLabs, please use our affiliate link. It helps support our channel and allows us to keep bringing you useful content just like this. Once you've signed up and logged into your ElevenLabs account, you'll want to start by navigating to your profile. You can find this easily at the bottom left corner of your screen. Simply click on your profile icon and it'll bring up a menu of options. From this menu, you'll want to select Settings. This is where you have control over various aspects of your ElevenLabs experience. But for today's purpose, we're focusing on changing the application language. Once you're in the settings, look for the language option. It's typically a drop-down menu, so simply click on it and you'll see a list of language choices. Select the language that suits you best, and just like that, you've customized your application language. Now, when it comes to the language of the generated speeches, there's an interesting feature that ElevenLabs offers. The language is determined by the prompts you provide. The system has an automatic detection feature, so if the language in your prompt is supported, the system will recognize it and generate the speech in that language. To maximize your language options, make sure to select their latest model, 11v3. This model supports a wide array of languages, over 70 to be exact, so it's an excellent choice if you need versatility and range in your language outputs. And with that, you're all set. Changing the language in ElevenLabs is straightforward and user-friendly. By adjusting these settings, you can ensure a seamless experience, whether you're using the application itself or generating multilingual content. So, go ahead and customize your settings today to make the most out of ElevenLabs. Thanks for joining me in this quick tutorial. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and consider subscribing for more tips and tricks. Don't forget to use our affiliate link if you're signing up for ElevenLabs. It really helps us out. Have a great day, and I'll see you in the next video.